You know, when you're fixing to buy a house to fix up to flip or to rent, before you go to the bank, please have all your numbers. This is Rick Jarman, Real Estate Investor Know School. You know, I did a video on this, and it hadn't been that long ago, and I thought, man, this is probably one of the most watched video that I've ever made. I just thought, you know, this is really important. I think it's important enough I'm going to make another video on it. When you get ready to buy a piece of property, a house, apartments, or whatever it may be, you get it under contract. You get all your numbers together. Before you go to the banker, tell them the amount of money you're going to need. You have the repair costs in hand with you. Then when that banker looks at the cost of what you're buying, plus your fix-up costs, a lot of times they will loan you 80% of those two items combined. Now, if you find a deal, this is easy to make it work. That's why I always tell you, get a deal. Now, that's big, folks. Now, if you just go down there and say you're buying a $100,000 piece of property, whether it be a house or duplex, and, you know, the banker's going to tell you, okay, you know, you got to pay 20% down. But now, if you go in there and you've got the cost to repair it, plus the cost of the unit, the duplex, house, whatever, say, like I said, it's $100,000, and you're going to spend $20,000 on it, more than likely they will loan you 80% of that $120,000, as long as the appraisals are right. You know, you can't pay too much. You won't get a good deal. But if you're flipping it or keeping it, either way, the less money you had to come out of your pocket, the more deals you can do. If that piece of property is $100,000 and you're going to put $20,000 in it, that's $120,000. Now, 20% is $24,000, right? Okay. The banker will loan you. You subtract the $24,000, that's what they will loan you. 80% of the $120,000. They loan you $96,000. $96,000, folks. Think about it. Now, if you were just walking in to buy that same piece of property, that's $100,000, and they loan you 80%. What's 80% of $100,000? It's 80. Now we're just talking about borrowing $96,000. How much out of pocket you got to have now? Folks, this is big. I tell you, this is how you can borrow money to buy rentals and be less money out of your pocket. That's all I'm going to say. I put it out there now, 2 different videos. You need to think about it. Y'all have a good day.